4 sound effects you should be using to make your videos more engaging. Number 1, risers. Risers create anticipation and are great to build tension. Number 2, hits. Hits adds impact and emphasizes important moments. Number 3, ambience. Ambience create environment. They immerse the viewer into the environment you are creating. Number 4, whooshes. Whooshes add movement and energy into your transition. Now make sure to use these transitions into your next projects to make it more engaging, and share this video with someone who may need it.